Thank you for speaking to me, Ms. Huang Yuhong of the Research Institute of China Mobile. Now, China Mobile is a leader in mobile services in China and the world. And what is your strategy to promote decarbonization as an operator? Feel free to give us some examples.
Okay, Christine. As Mr. Gao Tongqing mentioned in his speech, China Mobile has actually exploring efficient ways of saving energy and cutting carbon emissions to support low carbon green development. Especially last year, we released action plans for reaching peak carbon emissions and achieving carbon neutrality, and announced 3 guidelines and 6 approaches to support the action plan. The 3 guidelines refer to saving energy, using clean energy, and empowering industries. The 6 approaches are: first, building green networks based on new architecture and energy-saving technologies. Second, maximizing the usage of the electronic power and green energy. The third one is standardizing the specifications for energy-saving devices and technologies, and developing green supply and procurement chains. The fourth one, promoting both online and low-carbon work styles. The fifth one, expanding information services and smart environment protection solutions to vertical industries. The sixth one, growing public awareness of green low-carbon development. Based on these guidelines and approaches, China Mobile focuses on reducing energy usage, increasing the proportion of clean energy in our energy supply structure, and perhaps most importantly, helping vertical industry realize the full potential of ICT technologies and the solutions in terms of energy saving and reducing carbon emissions. Here are some examples. In power grid industry, we cooperated with our customer, China Southern Power Grid, and developed the 5G powered smart grid project based on our 5G SA architecture with end-to-end network slicing and MEC, which increased the level of the intelligence throughout the process of power transmission, transformation, distribution to consumption. This helped to accelerate the integration of clean energy into power grids. In steel manufacturing industry, we collaborate with Liuzhou Iron and Steel to deliver cloud-based 5G steel manufacturing factory using 5G plus AI solution to monitor real-time status and increase level of automation through a managed operation. This helped to improve the efficiency of steel manufacturing and expect to realize 15% energy reduction for single furnace. Also, in construction industry, we have been working with our partners on 5G smart building solutions that provide intelligent energy consumption sensing and optimization capabilities, which is expected to save around 20% of overall energy consumption. There are actually lots of user cases. I won't have time to elaborate. In a word, we believe that 5G and other digital technologies will play a vital role in empowering the low carbon and sustainable development for many sectors of business and industry. And we will keep on implementing our green strategy to fulfill our social responsibility in achieving carbon goals. Thank you.
Wow, that's a lot of partnerships and a lot of people to work with. I also hear that there is a China Mobile Green 5G Joint Innovation Lab. Can you tell us a little bit more about what that is going to do?
Okay. As we know that the industry is looking for efficiently access energy efficiency, maximize the potential of 5G energy saving, and the vertical industry also work for green solutions. So last year, China Mobile set up a green 5G joint innovation labs with our partners from various industries. We hope this will serve as a platform for partners work together, especially cross-industry partners work together, 5G energy saving, and help vertical industry leverage 5G technology to achieve green growth. There are 4 major areas the lab will focus on. The first one is 5G saving technology and products, such as technical research on new materials, components, features, architectures. And based on that, we will promote related product development. The second one is end-to-end integrated solutions. We start from the base station energy saving and expand to devices and platforms for multi-product collaboration and put them together as an end-to-end integrated solution. The third one is energy consumption assessment. We take into account technical solution, business requirements, coverage scenario, and other factors, and build a test environment to assess energy efficiency of products and networks. The fourth one is 5G energy saving applications in vertical. We will promote 5G application solutions in traditional industry such as energy generation, steel, chemical, smelting, and other top energy demanding sectors to help them consume less energy and bring down carbon emissions. That's all for my introduction. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Yuhong. Well, the last question that I have is about GTI. I mean, you talked about the tremendous number of people you need to work with, and GTI is a platform for people in the industry to come together. How do you want to use GTI in the future to help to decarbonize?
Okay, now I'm as the Secretary General of GTI. I should say that GTI had done a great job promoting 4G and 5G development on a global basis. And now we have involved into one of the most influential platform for global cooperation in the mobile industry. So when it comes to decarbonization, as I mentioned before, 5G, actually mobile industry have a vital role to play. So GTI should take advantage of its global ecosystem resources and the cooperation experience accumulated over the past 11 years to continue its role for global joint efforts to promote key technology breakthrough, end-to-end industry maturity, and cross-industry collaboration for scalable application on energy saving and low carbon development. I hope that GTI can serve as a bridge to connect mobile industry and the green industry. In other words, digitalization and decarbonization towards a same goal of sustainable development globally. Thank you.
Well, Yuhong, thank you very much for your leadership and for China Mobile's leadership in also organizing the GTI Summit today. Well, thank you again for accepting the interview, and goodbye.
Okay, thank you.